Have you ever tried holding a plank for more than a minute? It's a challenging exercise that can leave you feeling exhausted and sore. But what if you could plank for 5 minutes every day? What would happen to your body if you committed to this simple yet challenging exercise? In this video, we'll explore the physical and mental benefits of planking and what happens to your body when you hold a plank for 5 minutes every day. From increased core strength to improved posture and balance, the effects of planking may surprise you. So let's find out what happens to your body when you commit to this powerful exercise. Improved core strength. One of the most obvious benefits of planking is that it strengthens your core muscles. These muscles are essential for maintaining good posture, protecting your spine, and supporting your entire body. When you plank for 5 minutes every day, you engage your rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, and obliques, which make up your core muscles. Over time, consistent planking can lead to a stronger and more stable core. Better posture. As your core muscles become stronger, your posture will also improve. When you have a strong core, you're able to stand up straighter and maintain better alignment throughout your body. This can help alleviate back pain and prevent injuries caused by poor posture. Increased flexibility. While planking primarily targets your core muscles, it also engages your leg, arm, and shoulder muscles. Holding a plank for 5 minutes every day can improve your flexibility and range of motion in these areas. As you hold the plank, you're stretching and lengthening your muscles, which can help prevent tightness and stiffness. Improved balance and stability. Planking requires a significant amount of stability and balance, especially when you hold the plank for an extended period. Over time, consistent planking can help improve your overall balance and stability, making it easier to perform other exercises and daily activities. Boosted metabolism. Planking is a full-body exercise that engages multiple muscle groups at once. This makes it a great way to boost your metabolism and burn calories. Holding a plank for 5 minutes every day can increase your heart rate and help you burn more calories throughout the day. Reduced risk of injury. Planking can help reduce your risk of injury by strengthening your core muscles and improving your overall stability and balance. When you have a strong core, you're less likely to experience back pain, and you're less likely to suffer from injuries caused by poor posture or improper form during exercise. Improved mental health. Planking can also have positive effects on your mental health. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which are natural feel-good chemicals. Planking can also be a form of meditation, allowing you to focus on your breath and quiet your mind. This can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve your mood, and increase your overall sense of well-being. So, what are you waiting for? The benefits of planking are clear, and all it takes is a commitment to holding a plank for 5 minutes every day. By doing so, you can strengthen your core, improve your posture, increase your flexibility, and boost your overall health and well-being. So, whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking for a way to incorporate more movement into your day, planking is a simple and effective exercise that can make a big difference. What are some other exercises or healthy habits you can incorporate into your daily routine? How can you continue to challenge and push yourself to reach your fitness goals? These are just a few questions to consider as you embark on your fitness journey. Remember, every small step counts towards a healthier and happier you. If you want to keep learning more about muscle building, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. Also, we have plenty of other videos on our channel that cover everything from workouts to nutrition and recovery tips, so make sure to check those out as well. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.